What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Gene at POV Drives. Today, it's snowing, so I decided to go for a night drive and do some night driving POV. Enjoy the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment. Today we're driving a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee V6. Also testing out a new camera setup. I'm seeing how this little camera is gonna do at night. I love driving in the winter time. I love driving when it's snowing. It always looks so beautiful. It is 21 degrees outside, so really crispy. Let's check lift. We have no destination in mind, guys. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy night driving by yourself, no destination, just driving, thinking about your plans for the life, thinking how and what your next step is and how to improve yourself. switch the Jeep's system into snow mode. Before it was on auto. I was always curious what it does. I think it just slows the car down, slows the accelerator pedal. I recently drove a Jeep Wrangler 4xe high altitude. Make sure you watch that video on my channel. I just released it today. I actually enjoyed it. My only thing is the Wrangler felt a little narrow. I'm a decent sized guy. I'm 6'3", about athletically built, 220 pounds. So kind of felt a little narrow to me, which was unexpected. I've never driven a Wrangler before. But other than that, it actually drove very well. I really enjoyed it. Maybe I'll, in the future, lease one. I don't know. But because they are plug-in hybrid, they lease very well. One of the few cars that actually has a decent lease price these days. So maybe we'll see. I don't know. But I actually enjoyed it. I always liked how they look. But and I really liked how it drove, and acceleration, it actually did 6.6 seconds 0 to 60, which is not bad considering it's a brick. But my only concern would be that it just feels narrow inside. And, you know, by playing with the seating position, I was able to find a comfortable seating position. Although I am pretty much almost touching the sunroof. But not too bad. Like, I'm not hitting my head on a pillar, nothing like that. It just, like I said, the only concern was that it feels narrow. Obviously, nobody would sit behind me. No, I don't think anyone could fit unless it's a child. But there's absolutely no chance an adult will be able to fit behind me. Normal size adult I'm talking about. But yeah, if you guys have any of you watching that has a Wrangler, let me know how it feels to you. Like, did you have an issue getting used to that it's a little narrower than other SUVs? Or is it just a matter of driving it for a week and then you just get used to it? Let me know in comments, guys. I'm really curious about that type of deal, I guess, or habit for the Wrangler people, because a lot of times I see somebody driving a Wrangler is usually like a chick, probably a nurse with an Apple Watch bigger than her 2 arms. But anyway, but what about people that are like, you know, normal sized men, you know, let's say 6'2", 6'3", you know, 220 pounds. How do you guys feel in the Wrangler? That's my question. All right, let me know in the comments, guys. Looking forward to getting this discussion going. I kind of would like to have this channel as like a driving / discussion channel, like any topic, whatever. But I'll have to see what the audience will watch. It's a pretty cool drive. I hope this camera is recording well, but it is what it is. I'm recording on Insta360 Go 3. Just recently got this camera. So actually my Wrangler video was recorded on it as well, but I think I need to play with the settings, because I feel like inside of the vehicle it recorded very well, very sharp video, no complaints. but whatever is outside of the vehicle kind of got washed out. And I was trying to adjust it, the colors, and like post edit whatever in Microsoft Clipchamp. I don't know how I succeeded or not, but I still posted the video. It is what it is. So I really have to learn on how to record better driving videos, I think. But I think the more I do it, the better it's gonna get. So just have to play with settings and probably exposure on having the ability to record properly, not only, you know, when you're driving from inside of the cabin, but also outside. Because, for example, an iPhone, like I was testing it out, you know, driving around, let's say you hold an iPhone or mount it, it'll just in full auto mode, it will just do everything outstandingly, and I'm like, wow, that's really cool. And I think a full-on sized action cam such as a DJI Action 4 or maybe a Hero 12 GoPro or even Hero 11 Black, they will record well during the daytime when it's bright and sunny. But I just don't feel like looking all goofy with a freaking GoPro sized camera on my head. So this camera is actually pretty cool. I also got it for snowboarding. So, and I know that I tested it out when just being outside, it's fine. It's just specifically driving, specifically having that contrast, you know, going inside of the vehicle where it's a shade, and then outside of the vehicle, bright sunny day kind of gets washed out. I think it's the settings, I think it's the exposure that I need to look into. Anyway, if any of you guys are like experienced persons taking videos and pictures and stuff, let me know. I'll be glad to learn something. You gotta learn something new every day, right? Look at this dude flying, holy shit. What a moron. That's the type of dude that's gonna be in the side of a freaking road in a couple miles. I mean, the road is kind of icy. I'm going like 39, 40 miles an hour. The dude is going 60. Unless he's got studded tires, then I don't see how he's gonna go for much longer. But yeah, beautiful drive. Look at that, Subaru Forester. And we're gonna take this exit. This video is probably gonna be already at 20-something minute mark. I actually only wanted to record approximately at 15 minutes, but that didn't go as planned. Not bad. Actually, this Jeep is a V6 Grand Cherokee, and it feels faster than it actually is. I have a draggy. Ooh, this dude is coming in hot. There's two of them. So, in the draggy, this Grand Cherokee V6, I think the best I was able to get was 7.7 or 7.6 seconds, 0 to 60. Consistently does 8. Alright, so consistently we'll do 8, no problem. It feels faster than that, but I guess it's just a feel. I don't know. Let's make sure no one is flying this way. Alright, we're safe. Let's go. So, interestingly enough, a Wrangler 4xe did it in 6.6 seconds. So faster than this one. And also faster than the Ram 1500 5.7. Which is surprising. But anyway. Alright guys, it's been a pleasure. Hopefully I'll get 1 or 2 subscribers from this video. Make sure you watch it, at least most of it. Have a conversation with me. And I'll see you on the next one.